Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
Nau mai whakatau mai anō e tātou mā ki tēnei pākanga nui kei waenganui i ngā kura e rua no Feilding High School me Westlake Boys High School ngā taitama tāne o Ururoto. Kei raro i ngā pai maunga o te papaioia.
For you. Just moments away, Ethan, from what should be a great matchup, Ethan.
Absolutely. Ai mihana ki ngā kaiwa wau, and here we are with the long kick down into Westlake's 22. And te oma tuatahi a tērā tama he tino kaha ia, engari pai te rutu I aia. When it comes to the second half, you're going to be under the pump and having to work yourself out of that corner every time.
We go to the middle of the lineup again. Rolling ball, worked well last time. Why not go again? And they will push over in the corner. Ururoto Westlake at the 8th minute strike first.
And that's exactly what they needed to do at this moment. Feilding was to get up quick on defence, put pressure on the Westlake team so that they didn't have an easy run to the line, and they've done just that. And now they've made their way up the field, and now they're pushing pressure onto Westlake's defensive line.
Whakava with another run for Feilding. Quick hands. This one's good on the outside edge. An opportunity here for Feilding. Inside ball. One more. And baby, he is in. Feilding strike right back here in the first half.
Nō reira, ākua nei ka kite a ka haere rātou I reira. Yes, no, they've gone to the open side. With that number 8 from Westlake, Travis Finlay with the carry.
Now back into the engine room. First it's Tui Tupo. Now an opportunity to shift another one. Fleming gives it in the corner. Ururoto strikes back here in the first half to grab the lead even further. Tukana in the corner. Encourage their men, the young tāne, to drive their way over the line, and boy oh boy, the legs are pumping! Is he there? Just held out. Play continues. Wide pass, is that enough? Oh, the defense from Tui Tupo. Quick dart, wide, shovels it. This game's full of action, it's all ahead, no one's back home for Feilding. It's a foot race now. Gathers it, loses it. Opportunity, can't hold on to the ball. He lets it go. And how now, Brown Cow, fullback Ollie Davis from Westlake on the end of, it's got to be simply exciting play.
So he's into the field for Ururoto I tēnei wā. Pai tērā kawenga a te nama te kaumārua. Nixon Foreman tērā. Engari.
Oh, taken back, Westlake as they'll streak down to counter-attack. It's Fleming streaking away. He robs one in the night in the first half, and he grabs one himself in the second half. Ururoto Westlake strike first here in the second half.
If they get their support behind their team, it's always going to encourage their players to do better.
Feilding's always had good support. I was lucky enough to go to college here, Hatapolda, just north of Feilding, a couple of years ago. But every time we played Feilding, they had great numbers of support. They're a proud school, that's for sure.
And we just saw big man on big man there with some big hits going on there. But Westlake showing some determined defence.
Close now.
Soon we will see whether that was enough.
Feilding very, very close here. Skip pass is enough, and he'll get between two players. And just like that, in a blink of an eye, both teams have attacked, and here they are continuing. In my mind, with this wind, if you can just keep it down here, you're going to convert points some way or some manner anyway. Oh, big run. Here he is again, the big fella, Tui Tuba. Marching meters, the offload off the ground is brilliant. It's sheer brilliance from Tui Tuba, and it's Whakava that converts it for Feilding. Ball still there for Westlake. Pick and go. Tui Tupo. Gravenstead.
And the referee's got his hand out, playing advantage.
Pressure being asked.
Tui Tupou.
These close. Tui Tupou spins the dial and gets the job done here.
The pressure's back on Westlake and their defensive line.
The other brother, Alani Whakava this time. They shovel it. Javier, he's got one today already, looking to scoot around for a second. Turn back, the fullback for Feilding. They'll come right, stay that side, and it looks like it's successful. Number 8, Rupeni Raviyava, the big man, distributing that ball. Bolger this time takes it up. Now the big guy, Yano Pins, pushing his way into the 22. Advantage play to Westlake, right beside the post.
What do you do here, Chopper? Feed back out to Pico.
And Davies will take care of that. And this could be trouble for Westlake when we get a stoppage in play. Feilding still with it though. Opportunity still alive as they come into the 22. They'll be playing with an advantage here. Javier, outstanding from the back. Whakava. Straight up the middle, Whakava. Whakava will make it himself, and Feilding have replied. Feilding don't look like they're going to kick for the post, do they? No. Let's go.
One way to the line and it's straight through. That's what they're saying.
Full throttle here from Feilding. Full throttle, just short of the line. They look to get it wide here. They're successful. The outside right edge of Feilding. And it's the big centre who gets the job done, James Tuituba. Westlake, Ururoto with a bit of belief here. Finlay shovels it, Tuitupo. The winger will come back into his support, go to ground, make sure they can recycle it. Tuitupo again. He's featured about 6 times in this phase, and the ball's been lost. And that is full time. It is jubilation for the Fuzz. Feilding High School running out victorious in a massive semi-final, 39 points to 34, Ethan.
Everybody that I know,
Yeah, they down with this.
Mātakitaki.
Cause they down with this.